What if I told you you could make even more money doing no additional work? Get just an extra paycheck every single month for doing what you're doing already, driving. Wrapify lets you do just that. How? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Tyler from the RideShare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be discussing Wrapify and how it can help you make even more money while you're out there driving anyway. Now, as a rideshare driver, we're always looking for additional ways to make more money, whether that's a new app or a different app that we haven't used before, or if it's using multiple apps at the same time, or whatever the case may be. Well, Wrapify actually helps us to make more money by simply driving like we're doing already. So Wrapify is an app that you can download right onto your phone, and it'll give you campaigns and other things that'll actually allow you to get your car wrapped with different promotions, different advertisements for all these different companies. And then they'll send you money based on how much you drive and where you drive as you're going out and driving. One of our drivers has actually used Wrapify. They have had great success with it. They've even explained that whenever a campaign does come along for them, it's exhilarating, it's exciting. They know that they're going to make this set amount of money each week based off of the campaign that comes their way. So a wonderful program to sign up for. And even if you don't have a plan to sign up for it right now, I highly recommend that you sign up for the app and have it running in the background, because you have to drive a certain amount before they'll even offer you a campaign in your area. So the more you drive, the more likely you're gonna get a campaign. So you wanna start downloading it right now, even if you're not gonna start driving right away, even if it's something you might do in the future, download it right away. That way you don't have to wait when it comes time to get those campaigns, or when those campaigns come in, you can look and decide which one you're gonna choose from at that time. And if it's a company that you love anyway, then why not sign up for it, advertise, and make some extra money on the side. Now, the driver also talked about how easy it is to get their car wrapped. Once you decide on the campaign that you're going to drive for, you simply, in the same app, find a date and time that's gonna work for you, what shop you need to get it to. You're gonna take it there, they're going to wrap it for you, then you leave for the day, you come back when it's done, then you take the car and you start earning money right away. What's really great about it is that you don't have to try to get a friend or a family member to pick you up and then drop you off. Wrapify will actually cover the cost for you to take transportation back home and then back to the shop to get the car. So you're not stuck at the shop all day watching them wrap it, waiting for them to wrap. You can actually go home, work on other stuff, relax, whatever it is, but you're actually covered in transportation to get to and from there, so that once you drop that car off, you're not sitting there waiting all day for them to wrap. So that's a great feature of it, so you're able to get that going. So what type of wraps? Well, there's a full car wrap, there's partial wraps, so it's gonna depend on the campaign itself. Our driver actually mentioned he loves to learn about the advertiser. So when a campaign comes along, he doesn't just decide if he's gonna accept it or not. He learns about that company, and he says he learns a lot of nice little neat things about them just by doing some additional research on it. So he's really appreciated that fact of signing up for Wrapify. And of course, you're gonna make that extra amount of money as well. Now, you're not stuck having that wrap on your car forever. You are set in for a certain amount of time. So how long do these campaigns last? Well, they can range from 4 to 12 weeks, and sometimes the companies will actually extend it, making you even more money. So when you sign up for the campaign, you're gonna know exactly how long it's gonna be on there, so you can take it off as soon as that's done. It's not gonna damage your car. They take care of everything for you. So the wrap can come off. It's not stuck on there forever, so don't worry about that. But you're gonna be able to do this and make money off this for at least a month, but up to 3 months, and sometimes even longer, depending on the company and if they extend that campaign. How much can you actually earn? Our driver was making, as of this video, he was making $41 a week just by having his car wrapped, which doesn't sound like a lot, but think of the things that you can do with $41 a week in addition to what you're already making. So if you're out there driving, making 100, 200, 300, some of our drivers are making thousands of dollars a week, depending on how much they're driving. So they're out there doing that, and then you make an extra $41, it covers gas for a day, it covers food for a day, it covers insurance for the month, it could cover a car payment, whatever it is. Yes, $41, that may be, for some people, that might be what they're out there making. I know some drivers only go out to make about 50 bucks a day to have a little extra income. $41 extra on top of that $50 that they made for the week, or $450 or whatever they're gonna make for the week is great, because again, this is money you're getting for not doing anything extra. You took a day, you got your car wrapped, you're driving just like you normally would, and you're making that additional income. So this is extra money. You can also, there's additional ways, there's different meetups that you can go to with the wrap on, and sometimes you can get $50 an hour for doing so. Different pictures that they'll have you take, you can get money for that as well. So there's additional ways to make money and income with this. It's not just the wrapping and driving around. But that is, of course, the easiest and that most hands-off is to just do that. So our driver absolutely loves driving it. To him, it just makes logical sense. He's out driving for DoorDash anyway. Why not make just a little bit extra money in order to pay his insurance, gas, whatever the case may be? I've signed up for it just so that when I do get the opportunity for a campaign in my area, I can sign up for it. I'd love to talk about that on the show. Several others have also done the same, so all of us are excited to do this. It's definitely something we highly recommend. So if you've done Wrapify in the past and you had a good experience or even a bad experience, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, please leave any questions down there. We'd love to see these comments and reread every single one of them. If this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because there's new things that come out every single week. And stay safe out there, everyone.